Hello everyone! With the fast development of technology, household appliances are also becoming smarter. But how are these smart household appliances made in a smart factory? I'm in Qingdao, Shandong province, in front of the 5G smart factory of Haier headquarters. Today, I'm going to show you the amazing AI journey that these appliances go through before being shipped from the factory. Let's go! And here we have an employee using AR glasses. Let's see what he's working on.
你好，这里是 5G AR 手件检测环节。
In the past, 2 people were required for this task, one for detection and one for taking pictures. Now, thanks to this technology, only one person is required for the intelligent inspection, improving the efficiency of the manufacturing. As you can see, this laser engraving machine behind me is engraving nameplates without human supervision. This is possible thanks to mobile edge computing, which provides the ability of intelligent computing. Unlike before, the machine can work on its own without auxiliary equipment or human interference. The savings in manpower and materials are very high, as well as the accuracy, which is way higher than before. You may think that a large amount of quality inspectors are needed for such a large-scale production line. Next, let's check this out with the QA staff of the production line. Look, here's one of the quality inspectors, a 5G industrial camera. Just like the laser engraving machine, the 5G industrial camera has AI analysis capabilities and can upload data to the cloud. What's more amazing is that thanks to 5G technology, it doesn't need any sophisticated cables, so it can work more efficiently. I believe you're as surprised as I am. How can 5G bring even bigger change into Haier in the future? Let's ask Dr. Ren Taoling from the Haier Institute of Industrial Intelligence. What commercial value can all these new technologies like 5G, AI, edge computing bring to Haier?
Haier have developed tens of 5G application scenarios. Today, when we use 5G, this can reduce employment time by 75% and the detection accuracy improved by 99%. And millions of the RMB was saved per 1 year.
And also, at the end of the day, how does all these new technologies affect the work and life of a Haier employee?
5G can reduce the work burden of the new staff and makes they have much more enthusiastic during their work time. The large-scale application of the 5G in household industry will not only reduce the cost, but also promote the upstream and downstream enterprises of the industrial chain. It also played a very important role in the industrial collaboration.
I'm glad to have explored with you how 5G is making the household appliance industry smarter, more efficient, and more secure. Which industry do you think will benefit from 5G in the near future? Leave us a comment below and we will be reading and replying the best ones. That's all for today's visit to Haier 5G Factory. If you want to learn more about how 5G is changing the world, stay tuned to our social media channels.